So you've purchased your page builders and your plugins on probably the lifetime deals or special offers. The question is, now what? So in my opinion, there are several ways that you can make money. In this case with WordPress, I think there are 3 ways that you can really make money with WordPress. The first one is getting started with freelancing or starting a design agency. So these 2 options are fantastic because if you purchase lifetime deals on the plugins or even on the page builders, that means you can design unlimited websites with your licenses. So the second way is by doing affiliate marketing. So this is where you have to master the page builder, the plugins, and really choose an area where you want to focus in. So let's say, for example, you want to really focus on making money online. So you have to choose plugins that help you make money online. So for example, you'd use Fluent CRM for email marketing, or you'd use WP funnels for creating funnels, or even cut flows and so on. So you want to really focus on the plugins that help achieve that goal, which in this case, in this example, it's making money. Or if you want to stick to blogging, then you want to make sure you master all the plugins that can help you create a fantastic blog. So that's affiliate marketing. So what you do now is once you've chosen these products, then the next step now is to actually promote these products. And in return, you're going to get a commission. So for example, you'd make articles or videos about Fluent CRM. They have an affiliate program where you can apply. And once you've succeeded, every person that purchases Fluent CRM, in this example, you would get a commission out of it. So this is a fantastic way of actually making money. And this is, in a nutshell, affiliate marketing. Right, let's move on to the other part, which is creating your own products, or even if you have your own service. So let's say you have a okay, so let's move on to the third part. So here is where you'd actually have a product or your service that you offer. So you can actually create your own website using these plugins and the page builders that you'd have purchased. So this is where you make it easier for all your customers to go to your website. If it's a booking, it makes it easier for them to book. If it's purchasing things online, it makes it easier for them to purchase. If it's contacting you, then it just makes the whole process easier. So in this way, you're utilizing your plugins that you've bought or even your page builder, making sure that it's really making you money, or at least it's doing its job, because it's quite expensive to purchase all these products. So if we go back to affiliate marketing, in my case, I chose affiliate marketing. I used to have an agency back then, but long story short, it was quite difficult because the way I conducted the business was not sustainable. I took on quite a lot of work and I could not pretty much meet the demand. So I had to pretty much move away from the agency because I was not a very good businessman. So I realized that perhaps I'm better off creating content, teaching people, and in return, I get, affiliate commissions. So that's what I do now. But in my case, I've also taken this a step further by creating courses that can help anyone that has bought these products from me to help them, use these products much, much better. So with all of this, affiliate marketing, starting your design agency, and even creating your own website for your business, all this requires marketing. And this is the most difficult part. In fact, I've heard a lot of business owners and gurus out there who talk about the success of a business is 80% marketing and 20% the product or the service. So as you can see, the marketing is the side where, is the part which really, really, really takes a lot of time to master. So in my case, I don't know if you've noticed this, but there's times where I have with super energy, I'm creating all these videos pretty much, every other day consistently. And then there comes a time where I'm just burnt out. And I can't explain this phenomena, but I feel so tired that even creating a basic video becomes a huge task. So I end up now just taking time out for sometimes 3 weeks, 4 weeks, just to get myself together so I can come back. But now, this is where it becomes very difficult. If you rely on this money, the time that you're not working means that there's no income. And this can be extra stress on yourself. And this is what I've been suffering from recently. It's very, very challenging. But all in all, is highly rewarding as well, because if you do a fantastic job of this, it's definitely rewards you. And also what I would recommend is, if you want to go the freelance and the agency route, then what you want to do is to master the business side of things. This is something that I did not do very well. I went in with design skills and pretty much that was it. But in terms of running the business, I mean, I had zero skills, and I know that that's the reason why I failed in trying to run a design agency. Whereas with me promoting products for a lot of these companies, well, that's a slightly better way of me earning money, because I know that the process of creating these videos is fun for me. And also when I see all your comments about you benefiting a lot from my videos, you know, it gives me that energy to continue to make these videos. So that's why pretty much I'm stuck on creating contents and getting commissions for anyone that buys through my affiliate link. But I don't know if I've mentioned this in this video, but I also created Divi University, and this is where I will be creating courses. Right now I am on track to producing all the courses to help you guys that have purchased products through my affiliate link to learn these products really fast and see how they can be used in a real life situation. And finally, like I said, product or services. The product or services, this is where you create a website for your business. But again, as I mentioned, you need to make sure that you have all the plugins that you need to make the process of your customers to have the experience on your website much easier. So these are the ways of making money with WordPress. Let me know what you guys think in the comments box below. Until next time, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Take care.